Hello, good evening. My son, Limincho Alfonso, is not home. There's Lisin po, the retired man. This is the latest little groceries from Tiumbaro Plaza Fair Price in TUC. Some bread, Japanese bread, wholemeal bread. There's some fruits, okay, vegetable, coffee and some detergent down there, some snacks. Tissue box, April 3, 2026. Okay, some pork, okay. Some pow, okay. Enjoy, folks. This little groceries. This is only $55 something. May have listen po pay, okay. Enjoy Singapore, okay. There's listen po, the return. Enjoy, folks, Singapore. Latest little groceries.